Hi, buddy. Keith Best here. And in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how you can write the content for the service pages if you wish to for your site. Now, at the moment, the local content builder doesn't do the content. It is something that we are looking at doing and included in it, but for now, it doesn't. So while we're waiting for that to come on, here's a quick way to actually write the content and get some good content for your site. So first off, what you want to do is go in and these prompts, what I'm going to use, I will actually put at the bottom of the video for you so you can copy them. So we're going to go in and we're going to do, can you get me a list of entities that should be in the content page, content for a page all about, and let's say washer repair services. Washer repair services. So what I'm doing here is I'm using Gemini. You can use ChatGPT, you can use whichever one you want, Claude, whatever. I tend to like Gemini at the moment. And all I'm just giving it now is some background to what I want to do. So instead of just going in, because a lot of people will just go in and they'll say, write me some content on this, which it does write some content, but it's not very well organized and it's not structured. So I have about three, four prompts which I'll use to actually pull this in together. So what I've got is, can you get me this event is that should be in the content for a page all about washer repair services. So it's washing machine repair, finance repair technician, local business, emergency repair service, drain pump, drive belt. There's all these different things what Google understands as part of a washing machine service. The next prompt what I put in is to get an outline for an actual page. So I've now got the entities. So now what I'm going to do is, can you now create a page outline for this page all about, and I'm going to put in washer repair services. The page wants to be focused on getting people to call or complete the form to book an appointment with the engineer. Use the most relevant entities from above in the headings and on the page. And then you just do that. It's now come with the actual page layout. And then what I do now is to this. Can you now create a full page using the entities and the above outline? And this is the content. And it's got three current there. And the last thing what I want to do, because it's got this here, got me frequently asked questions. What you can do is say, you can use them three frequently asked questions, or what I tend to do is copy this and do, can you create 5 to 10 FAQs for the page and at the end include the JSON schema for the FAQs? Not sure why it's put in Google Keep, but I will have a look and see what it's done. This time let's put it in there. So here's the FAQs which it's created. So I'll be able to copy them, put them in, and here's the schema to go with it. So I've now got everything what I need. So if we go back up to here, so from here, to here. I'll leave the frequent asked questions out because I'm going to use them other ones. Go to there, do that, and do text to HTML. Just drop that in there. Okay, if we scroll to the bottom, so there's 500 words straight away with that. And then if we go to Google Keep and these on, that took us up to 700 words. We've got a nice paragraph there, a nice set of content. It's 700 words. And all we've got to do is change things like this. I mean, you should always check whenever you are doing stuff with AI, make sure like sort of it's correct. It's got all of the bolded in and everything like that, which will actually help it. So that's basically how to actually create it. And then all you need to do with this, you can actually take this as it is, copy that, and let's go to the admin. Go to pages, all pages, and let's add page. And let's call it washer repair services. All you need to do, boom, paste it in. Pasted that in, and it comes in. Now, obviously, like I say, you can take that out. You can do what you want. So I don't want that in there. Just take this out. Take that out. So I could put a button in there. I do button. Call today. And we've got that. And then just add obviously the link to the button, which would be tell. I don't know what the phone number is, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Something like that. Like I say, you need to go through it and check it, and then you put your business name in there. Or you can put like sort of our team. This wants to be FAQs. Heading. And we've got the FAQs there. And of course, when we scroll down to the bottom, we've got scripts. I don't use that schema, but we've got scripts here. So where was the script? That needs a script tag at the top and the bottom. Do that. Go back to here. Paste that in. That actually needs. Here it needs slash script. And at the top, oops, it needs script, and it's, I can't remember. Let's go to one that's got it on. Just got the script on. Page source. Bloody hell, 51. Nope, that's not the one. That's right. There we go. That's what I was looking for. I just couldn't remember what that was. Go to here, do that. That's fine. If you now publish that, I mean, I'm going to recheck it, obviously, and do it again, but I just want to publish it for now. So I'm going to do that, and go to here, DVD, SEO tools, do that, and then do test URL. Got FAQ schema on. It's got the question, then the answer. Question, then the answer, question, then the answer. So there you go, guys. That is how to build out your content for the service pages on your site. Use multiple GPT questions, whichever you want to use, whether it's Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, or any of them. Use them, get you into these first, then get your page outline done, then create the actual page, and then create some questions at the end. And then all there's a case of is copying it into your site, as we have done here. You've now got washer repair services. Obviously, this needs tidying up a little bit, add some images in, a video in, that sort of thing. But other than that, it's ready to go. I don't really need that button there because I've got this one down here. Hope that was useful, guys. Catch you on next video. Bye.